Hello everyone, welcome back to your favorite cat perception quantifiers. So today in our question of the day we are going to discuss one of the best questions of permutation and combination. So before we discuss that question, there is a small concept that you should know, or which is a very easy concept which we will be using in the question. Okay, what is the concept? Let us say there are three kids A, B, C. This is not a question, this is a concept clarity. Let us say there are three kids A, B and C and I have three toffees to distribute. मैंने इन लोगों को तीन टॉफीज देनी है. My question is in how many ways I can distribute it. In how many ways I can distribute it. Okay. Now there is no condition that any kid can get 0 or can get 1. There is no compulsion on anything. Okay. So what are my various arrangements possible? Let us look at them manually. The first will be 3, 0, 0. Second can be 0, 3, 0. Third can be 0, 0 and 3. A is getting all the toffees, B is getting all the toffees, C is getting all the toffees. Let us say then is 2, 1, 0. 2, 0, 1. 2, 1, 0. Oh, sorry. 1, 0, 2. 1, 2, 0. 0, 1, 2 and 0, 2, 1. Basically 3 places, 3 factorial 6 arrangement. Okay. And the last one will be 1, 1, 1. So how many cases are these in totality? In totality, these are 10 cases. These are 10 cases in totality. So now this number was small enough and I have calculated it manually. Let us say what if this number was very large, or if there were 50 topics to be distributed. Then we have a very simple formula with us. What is the formula? The formula simply says n plus r minus 1 c r minus 1. This is the formula for non-negative distribution. Non-negative distribution. What do we mean by non-negative distribution? That no one can get a negative number, but they can get a 0 or a positive number. Here n is a number of items to be distributed and r is the number of people among which the things are distributed. So n plus r minus 1. Basically 3 plus 3 minus 1, c 3 minus 1. This 3 represents toffees, this 3 represent people, and this 3 also represent people, ABC. So answer is 5C2, or I can say 10 ways. Okay? So this is a small concept that we will be using in the question that we will see. Let's see what is the question all about. The question is, how many 5-digit numbers exist such that the digits from left to right are never decreasing? So digits from left to right. So these digits should be never decreasing. ये कभी भी decrease नहीं होने चाहिए. Decrease नहीं होने का मतलब क्या है? जरूरी नहीं है कि increase होते हो. This is a possible case. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. This satisfies the condition that it is a never decreasing quantity. Okay. What is another possibility can be? What could be? 1, 1, 2, 2, 3. This could be another possibility. 3, 3, 3, 3, 4. This is another possibility. But is 4, 3, 5, 5, 5, is this allowed? No. Because from 4 to 3, it is a decreasing commodity and it is not allowed. So the only basic thing I need to understand here is it is a non-decreasing system. Okay. The digits can be equal. Now, this is one thing I have understood. Okay. Now, how many digits do I have? 0 to 9. I have 10 digits, right? I want to distribute these 10 digits here somehow. Can I say the digit 0 cannot be used? Digit 0 cannot be used here. Since digit 0 cannot be used here, okay, can I say the only permissible values are 1 to 9? या तो 1 आएगा या 2 या 3 up to 9. 0 क्यों नहीं आ सकता? Why cannot 0 be used? Because if I am placing 0 at any place, I cannot decrease it further. ठीक है? यहाँ तो कर सकता. And if in case I place 0 here, it will be a 4-digit number. तो वो भी possible नहीं है. So 0 cannot be used. So the only numbers I can use is from 1 to 9. Now, in order to give you some more clarity, let me just give them some variables. Okay. Let us say 1 is represented by digit A, 2 is represented by digit D, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and I. So these are the 9 numbers which can be arranged on these 5 places. These are the 9 numbers which can be arranged on these 5 places. Or I can say these are my 9 kids. These are my 9 kids to whom I will be providing my 5 places or 5 toffees. I have to distribute these 5 places to them, and they can be given in any terms. In any terms, as in, it is possible that I can give 3 places to this, 1 place to this, and 1 place to this. ये 5 वो जगहें हैं. Remember, this 5 represents these 5 places, and these 5 places can be distributed to any of the variable. Okay. So if let's say I am distributing as 3, 1, 1, which means that digit F is getting 3 places. Digit E is getting 1 place. Digit D is getting another place. So what is my number? Digit D is 4. Digit E is 5. Digit F is 6. So since F is getting 3 places for any digits that I choose, अब मेरे पास कोई मर्जी चीजें आ जाए, there is only one way to arrange them. उनको अरेंज तो नहीं मैं किसी और तरीके से कर सकता, because it has to be strictly increasing. इसको तो किसी और से अरेंज नहीं कर सकते. So for any numbers you will increase, there is only one way to select it. This is the first thing I need to understand. और सिंपल सा केस लेते हैं. Let's see, मैंने 5 में से 4 places I have assigned to C and 1 place I have assigned to G. So C represent digit 3. So digit 3 will come 4 times and digit G will come 1 time. Again, there is only one way to arrange it. So whatever I am selecting, I need not arrange it. Okay, this is the basic thing I need. So basically, can I say that I have to allot these 5 places to hit this and no one can get a negative and 0? किसी को मैं ये तो नहीं कह सकता ना कि मैं -1 टाइम आएगा या -2 टाइम आएगा. But yes, 0 can be assigned. That A is coming 0 time, B is coming 0 time, D is coming 0 time, C is getting 4 times. Okay. So simple सी बात, I have to apply non-negative integral solutions. Non-negative integral solution in the sense that these are my 9 people, these are the 5 places to be distributed, and the number of ways in this which can be distributed is 9 plus 5 minus 1, C 9 minus 1. 9 plus 5 minus 1, C 9 minus 1. So my answer is going to be 13, C 8. So this is my final answer. Now quickly calculate what is this answer. This answer is 1278. So this number will be, sorry, 1287. This is my final result, 13C8. Okay. So as simple as that could be. So what happens, sometimes people use a lot of method like A, B, B. So you start arranging this and it will take a lot of time. But 2 can be similar, 3 can be similar, 4 can be similar, and all can be similar. We haven't used that, and it is a very simple formula. Okay, so 13C8 is your final answer. And with this, we will complete our explanation. If you liked it, please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.